Hi, this is Kim Kalem, and I'm going to walk you through and introduce you to an educational technology resource that has been created in Buzz, and it will storehouse the book study that we're about to do or continuing to do on the game Believes in You. So I will send these directions to you if you'd like to have directions written out. And I will model right now how to log into the resources. One thing to know about this is that we are going to be offering these resources to 4 other DCMO districts so that we can collaborate and all the districts can put on their resources and watch our educational technology resources expand. So in order to get started in the course, you do have to know this code, and that is the most important thing for logging in. And you do need to get a username and password from me, and I will email those out to you. We have a link to the course. It's on our staff webpage. If you go under staff resources and then educational resources, then you're going to log in to your account, and I'm going to log in as Pam Ross and sign in. Once you're in, you're going to go over to where it has your name. You will not see the course here. I've already logged in as her before and signed up, but you're going to go to Pam Ross over here and click on this. Then you're going to enter a registration code. And the registration code is FC15PM. Then click on verify. And then I'm already enrolled. Then you're going to do enroll. And you will see Discover Yourself, the DCMO logo, and educational technology. So go ahead and click on that. Once you're in here, this is the home screen. Since I've already been in here as Pam, you will see where she last visited, where I last was, and what's up next in the course. This is it's an LMS, a learning management system, and it's called Buzz, and it allows you to either deliver information to students or staff, and it allows you to build activities. So for this purpose, we're just offering it to give you resources. So when it says up next, it doesn't necessarily mean that's what you need to do. Over on the left side, you will see announcements, to-dos if this was really your course and your assignments. And then here's where you'll see the resources. So each folder, when you click on it, will offer you resources inside there. So I'm going to go for this purpose to book studies, and I'm going to click on the game Believes in You. And here you will see our book study options. The first one, if you want to go at it on your own, or if you'd like to follow a timetable and do a digital discussion here on Buzz, and or do a face-to-face discussion. Down below here is where I put in the tentative dates. They may change depending on when we start, of course, if you'd like to follow an outline, a date. And then I set up each chapter so that we could have a discussion, so that we can learn from each other and we can add resources to our own tools. So each chapter will have a reflection, and it'll be broken up in the same format with first the what. What did you view were the key points in the chapter, so that you'll be able to put that in a discussion. And then the so what. What about this chapter was particularly important or meaningful to you? And then the now what. What are we going to do with the information that we just read from the chapter? And this is a great place to also give resources. I added this part to each of the chapters just to help us to aid in our discussions. If you want to add any quotes, of course, or any wonders as a reflection, or maybe true questions that you do want to ponder or have us as a team strategize with you. So the first thing you're going to do is go over to the game Believes in You. And when I clicked on that, it allowed me to open up each of the chapters. So the first one is directions that we're looking at right now. So I'm going to click on the prologue. And then this is a place where you'll see those reflection questions and a place where you can start the discussion. So you would tap on New Thread, and go ahead and type in your response. You have all the same features that you would find in Word for the most part. The first one is where you can change your font style. The next one is your font size. And then, of course, you're used to seeing the B for bold, the I for italicize, underline, and then you have your bulleting tools, and then your centering and left margin tools, right margin. The hyperlink, if you'd like to add a hyperlink for us to go look at a website with you, if you want to undo that hyperlink. If you'd like to add an image for us, and this is the insert equations. We can talk about that another time. You could also browse and find a document that you would like to share with us as well. Once you're done with your post, go ahead and click on post. I'm going to cancel, so I'm not really having a post from Pam. And yes, I do want to cancel that. You will also be able to respond to each other's responses, and that's where you'll click on the plus sign and you'll be able to see everyone's responses. And this is called a thread when we're having a discussion online. You can go to the top thread, and then that's the first person who was responding, and then click down and see everyone's. Then you can respond to certain people's inside there. So I'm excited to take this adventure with you. You can see we have all 12 chapters in the epilogue in here. I'll be adding resources in here as well, and I look forward to the journey with you.